Welcome to our official Total Sheet YouTube channel. Are you ready to transform the way you manage your construction projects? You're in the right place. This is the home of Total Sheet, your ultimate software for BOQ, estimation, rate analysis, and billing needs in the construction and interior projects. Total Sheet is designed to streamline your workflow, save time, and increase efficiency. From generating accurate BOQs to managing budgets, timelines, and resources, this powerful tool ensures you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're an architect, builder, or project manager, Total Sheet empowers you to handle complex projects effortlessly. It's not just software, it's your smart partner in achieving excellence. And guess what? We're just getting started. A series of tutorials is coming your way right here on this channel. We'll guide you step by step through the amazing features and use cases of Total Sheet, helping you make the most of its capabilities. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified about our upcoming tutorials. Together, we'll take your construction projects to new heights. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.